All right, so this is the robot Braava Jet solution that I just ordered. Right here, this is the solution that goes into, it shows right here, the M6, the 200 Braava Jet, and the Braava 300. And it shows right here how many scoops or how many capfuls of the solution you're supposed to add for each one of these machines. So this comes in, I believe, let me see how many fluid ounces this is. 16 fluid ounces per container, so this should last a while, especially when you can set the settings so your machine distributes the solution at a reduced pace. It may actually last a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the solution. It says M6 6 times, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And when I open it up, it comes with a safety seal. So I'm just going to poke this hole with my knife. Be careful with it. And then unwrap that. And so what it says is take 6 capfuls for this, but I tend to use less solution. What I tend to use is half the amount of solution because I don't think I mop the floors quite often, so I'm just going to use maybe half of this. So I'm going to go ahead